The Hootsuite Salesforce integration gives you the ability to activate your Salesforce account directly from the Hootsuite dashboard, saving time by allowing records to be found and added in one place. The integration enables you to look up and edit leads, opportunities, accounts, cases, and contact information in Salesforce from within the Hootsuite dashboard. You can also add new records directly into Salesforce right from social messages in your Hootsuite streams. Begin by downloading the Salesforce app from the Hootsuite app directory. When downloading, make sure to also add the app plugin before hitting the Finish button. Now navigate into a stream in your Hootsuite dashboard. Click into the Action menu, then Send to Salesforce. Click Authorize to connect the integration. Say you've set up a stream to listen for a hashtag related to your business, and you spot a message from a potential prospect with a buying signal you'd like to follow up on. With the integration connected, you can now look up that particular user in Salesforce and either add them as a new lead or add additional details to their existing record. Another feature of the Salesforce integration is the ability to look up social accounts to see if they match existing Salesforce records. To do this, locate a message within one of your streams on the Hootsuite dashboard. Click the Action menu and choose Send to Salesforce. Salesforce will then pull up a list of records that match the social account of your chosen message. You can click on these records to view them or view related records. If you'd like to update or edit the information in an existing Salesforce record, simply select the existing record and click Edit. Then, fill in or adjust any of the available fields and save. If you send a message to Salesforce and it does not have a match, you can create a new record. To do this, click the plus sign and choose the type of record to create. Then, fill in any remaining information you'd like to add to that record and click Save. When you create records using the Salesforce integration, it will automatically save the linked social media accounts, which will make locating your records even easier next time.